This video will discuss the Galaxy S9 Reset in Best Buy. This video is intended to supplement the Visual Reset document downloadable on OneConnect. Begin the reset by downloading the planogram from your store and the Visual Reset document off of OneConnect. In the planogram, look at page 2 to review all of the device removes for this reset. Turn off the control boxes inside the fixtures, then remove each of the designated devices and place them in your reset return box. Perform any device moves as shown on the planogram. Remember, when moving wearables, twist from the bottom as the arms are breakable. Once all device moves have been completed, clean the table surface to ensure no adhesive remains. To install the phone security cable, plug the cable into the phone, remove the adhesive backer from the security cable, and then press and hold the adhesive pad onto the back for 30 seconds. Referencing the planogram for display location, place the edge of the frame 5.5 inches from the short table edge and the long edge flush with the table edge. Using the planogram and paper frame as a guide, adhere the smaller marketing modules arranged left to right: low light, super slow-mo, AR emoji. Underneath the S9 risers, there are two cables. The larger of the two cables must be plugged into a control box. The smaller of the two cables can be plugged into a Samsung power brick if necessary. Plug in the power cables for each riser before adhering them to the table. Make sure you guide both cables through the channel underneath the riser and then adhere the Galaxy S9 riser above the low light. Repeat this for the camera lens, the Galaxy S9 Plus riser, and the color chip fixture. To install the phone security on the risers, start by locating the orange screwdriver. Remove the screw from the base of the cable, remove the adhesive cover, plug the cable into the phone, then press and hold the adhesive in place for 30 seconds, and finally, tighten the screw back into the cable using the orange screwdriver. Loosely wrap a zip tie around each cable from these 4 displays. Carefully pull the cables and ensure they are tight against the fixture, like this. Now, repeat this process with the other fixture kit, following the planogram as necessary. This time, the front marketing pieces will be arranged left to right: live translation, AKG headphones, wireless charging. Reference the planogram for display kit location. To install the fabric graphic, begin by putting on the white gloves, and then find the tab on the existing graphic and pull it away from the frame. Next, on the new graphic, insert the hard plastic into the groove on the top of the frame. Find a Best Buy blue shirt to help if needed. Then insert the hard plastic down one side and then the other. Finally, insert the hard plastic along the bottom. Remember, this graphic is very tight. In pinball stores, the installation of the lens display is a little different. The paper frame will not be used in pinball locations. Begin by adhering the AR emoji marketing riser 1.5 inches from the long edge and a ½ inch back from the marketing channel. Then adhere the super slow-mo and AKG headphone marketing modules next to the AR emoji module, a ½ inch from the marketing channel. Underneath the Galaxy S9 risers, there are 2 cables. The larger of the 2 cables must be plugged into a control box. The smaller of the 2 cables can be plugged into a Samsung power brick if necessary. Plug in the power cords for each riser before adhering them to the table. Make sure you guide both cables through the channel on the underside of the riser, and you guide both cables through the channel underneath the riser and adhere the risers per your plan. In our pinball stores, the color chip fixture is placed on the next cube over. Remove the adhesive backer and adhere the color chip fixture 4 inches back from the marketing channel and 2.5 inches from the long table edge. Remove the note 8s from the preview fixture. Start by locating the orange screwdriver. Remove the screw from the base of the cable and unplug. These instructions, as well as reset reminders, installation instructions for in-view security, removing the infinity display retail mode, and more can be found in your Visual Reset document. Downloading and reviewing this file is vital to the completion of your reset. Thank you.